Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So today should be an interesting day. Does it look a little shinier? Kinda, but not really. That's because this was a used saw. I can't tell you how old this saw was, but it's definitely one of my old ones. It was one of the X-Torque ones, as you can see there on the emissions sticker. But I had a fellow by the name of Wade Marsh. He goes by Marshy on here, is usually what he comments. He rebuilt this for me, and this saw got rebuilt from ground up. It's got new bearings, new seals. You know, obviously he split the case, you know, checked over the crank. I believe it's the original jug, but it has a new piston and rings, I think, and everything that goes along with it. I don't remember if he changed the piston or not, but I know there's new rings at least in it. I think he just cleaned up the other jug. He did some port work on the muffler. I might be missing something, Wade. If you do, leave it in the comments. But it's got like a dual port muffler on it now. So we're gonna take this thing up on the hill and let her rip, huh? Now, I did see it run a little bit. He's been playing with it when he got it done, obviously to check that he liked how it was before he sent it. And the videos I seen, this thing was ripping good. So I'm excited to see what it'll do and see how it responds. So let's get it up on the hill and give her hell. One thing I forgot to say is I think he did, I know he did. He did some light port work on the saw too, not just the muffler. And I told him I didn't want that much. I'm not crazy about port work, as you guys know, because you hop a saw up too much, runs like hell, but then it, I feel like they burn up prematurely because of they run a little too hot. So we're gonna start up here on top just to play with it. Let's see. I don't know why that hickory wasn't marked, but so we kind of got a little reverse action here. See if we can do some domino to start. All right, let's see what it's got. Ooh, sounds throaty. Sounds good. This thing cuts, wow. Holy shit. I'm gonna tell you what. This sumbitch cuts. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a difference. That's just with a little bit of work done. I wouldn't want any more than that. It would seem like it would get too hot. But yeah, ain't wandering when it's idling. It's you know, the saw knows where it needs to be. It's responsive, and it pulls. God, it pulls me around. I gotta watch. I can't take stuff too small. Things are getting pretty tight. I can't use the smaller stuff anymore, market wise. So wonder what this is. I got some loblolly to cut down here, longleaf pine. Can't wait to see what it does in that. These two.